Ever wonder how some people became crypto millionaires in 2025? In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 crypto trading signals that triggered massive gains and changed lives. These aren't just trends, they're wealth-building moments. Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive into the signals that made millionaires. The world of cryptocurrency is filled with volatility, uncertainty, and potential. In 2025, a few key trading signals emerged that not only helped savvy investors multiply their holdings, but also transformed ordinary traders into crypto millionaires. From fundamental catalysts to technical triggers, these signals were the golden alerts for those who paid attention. Let's count down the top 5 crypto trading signals that made millionaires in 2025. 5. Ethereum ETF approval rumors and front-running the news. In early 2025, rumors started circulating across crypto communities and insider Telegram channels that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, was softening its stance toward approving Ethereum spot ETFs, much like it did with Bitcoin in 2024. This signal wasn't a typical technical chart pattern. It was a fundamental news catalyst with enormous upside potential. Whale wallets and big players started accumulating Ethereum, ETH, and Ethereum-based DeFi tokens even before mainstream news broke out. Smart retail traders who caught the signal from on-chain activity and Twitter sentiment analysis saw a 60% surge in ETH within 3 weeks. Millionaire case. A mid-level trader in Singapore reportedly turned a $90,000 ETH position into $1.2 million by leveraging 2x margin trading and exiting right after the ETF approval confirmation, all within 30 days. Why it worked. Front-running regulatory news is a classic hedge fund strategy. Retail sentiment was still low, hence there was minimal selling pressure. Bots picked up the rumor signal before traditional media did, creating a momentum wave. 4. AI-powered technical signal. The golden cross on Solana, SOL. Solana had a rough 2022-2023 due to outages and bad press, but by 2025, it made a massive comeback thanks to its ultra-fast blockchain, NFT infrastructure, and DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure networks, use cases. The signal that triggered millionaire-making trades was a classic technical indicator, the golden cross, when the 50-day moving average crossed above the 200-day moving average. However, this time, it was backed by AI-powered trading bots that added contextual data, like on-chain developer activity, social media buzz, DEX volume spikes. When the golden cross formed on February 14, 2025, and was confirmed by increasing RSI, relative strength index, the bots pushed buy orders. Early entries at $72 exited at $158 just 2 months later. Millionaire case. A Ukrainian coding student who built his own AI bot with TradingView APIs caught the signal and scalped Solana with 5x leverage. His initial $25,000 turned into over $1 million by May 2025. Why it worked? AI added context to raw technical signals, making them more reliable. The timing aligned with Solana's announcement of a new AI Layer 2 chain. It was one of the few large-cap coins breaking resistance, pulling in fresh liquidity. 3. Memecoin breakout signal. Volume spike plus whale tracking. Pepe 2.0 2025 was the year of Memecoin 2.0. One signal that repeatedly made millionaires was a combo of early volume surges and whale wallet activity, especially on DEXs like Uniswap and BaseSwap. The most talked about case? Pepe 2.0, a relaunch of the original frog-themed token with utility added through a decentralized lottery system. Around late March, blockchain analysts noticed a sudden spike in 1-hour DEX volume, accumulation by 5+ known whale wallets, airdrop rumors circulating in closed Discord groups. These 3 microsignals formed a compound alert to buy early. The token pumped 3,500% within 10 days. Early believers who bought in the first 24 hours saw millionaire-level returns on even 3K, 5K investments. Millionaire case. A Brazilian coffee shop owner who followed a YouTuber's whale wallet tracker bought $4,200 worth of Pepe 2.0 at launch and cashed out with over $1.4 million during the peak. Why it worked. Meme coins are irrational, but volume plus whale movement is never random. The virality factor and airdrop anticipation pushed hype to another level. Meme coins offer the highest reward-risk ratio for traders with small capital. 2. Bitcoin halving. Pre-positioning plus miner wallet analysis. In April 2024, the Bitcoin halving occurred, cutting block rewards from 6.25 to 3.125 BTC. However, the real millionaire-making signal came 8 to 10 months after, aligning with historical patterns. In early January 2025, on-chain analysts noticed miner wallet outflows had drastically decreased. Dormant BTC from 2015-2016 started moving. The MVRV ratio, market value to realized value, was at a historical bounce level. Combined, these signaled mass accumulation and lack of selling pressure, usually a precursor to parabolic moves. Traders who bought in January at $42,000 rode Bitcoin to $89,000 by May 2025, more than a 2x. Leveraged plays and BTC dominance-based altcoin rotations created millions in profits across the board. Millionaire case. A French family trust fund reportedly deployed $500K across BTC, LTC, and BTC-based DeFi projects based on the halving signal and netted over $6.3 million in 5 months. Why it worked. Historical data never lies. Post-halving bull runs are almost clockwork. On-chain data showed miner behavior, a major market driver. Many traders ignored the early signal, creating asymmetric profit potential. 1. Pre-airdrop farming plus Layer 0 signal, the ZRO millionaire signal. The number one signal of 2025 was without a doubt related to Layer 0's ZRO token launch, one of the most hyped airdrops of the decade. Savvy DeFi users began farming eligibility in late 2024 through bridging assets between chains using Stargate voting and DAO proposals, testing testnets and accumulating OG points, but the real signal came when Layer 0 Labs tweeted a cryptic message hinting at snapshot dates. Influencers began reporting wallet addresses receiving secret interaction rewards. The ZRO token quietly appeared in MetaMask tracking systems. People who had performed at least 30-plus interactions across multiple dApps, DeFi, NFTs, lending, on Layer 0 supported chains became eligible for massive airdrops, in some cases $15,000, $25,000 worth of ZRO per wallet. But here's the kicker. Some users used up to 200 wallets, meaning they walked away with multi-million-dollar airdrop hauls for a few months of minor DeFi activity. Millionaire case. An anonymous Dutch developer who created an automation script for Layer 0 interactions used 190 wallets and netted over $3.2 million in ZRO on launch day. Why it worked. Airdrop farming became a low-capital, high-reward game. Pre-snapshot on-chain behavior gave subtle hints of eligibility. Those who tracked GitHub updates, gas fees, and ZRO contract activity were ahead of the curve. Those were the top 5 crypto trading signals that made serious money in 2025. Timing, strategy, and awareness made all the difference. Which signal surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more crypto insights and money-making strategies every week.